Yes, the industry is calling us. Shall we go? We should go. Yes, AECO industry, the architecture, engineering, construction, and operation industry. Of course, we can add operations and maintenance also. The industry which deals, which talks, and which serves related to architecture, engineering, construction, and operation maintenance. It is AECO industry, and if you see, it is a very active industry in the international arena. And mean this time, since the last 2 decades, the adoption of information and communication technologies are very rapidly growing. We started adopting digital technologies into the AECO industry. Let's see how it will change, it will develop, it will innovate something in the AECO industry for the better construction processes, methodologies, and better project management. If you look into the Indian construction industry, we have two parts like in the broad manner, real estate as well as urban development segment. In the case of real estate, we can consider residential, office, retail, hotels, and leisure parks, and many will come into the real estate segment. In the case of urban development segment, broadly we can consist of subsegments such as water supply, sanitation, urban transport, schools, and healthcare, etc. See, often these big urban development projects taken care by the foreign direct investment also, because as these are very big, the government alone or any project alone can't invest on this. So they will take the help of foreign direct investment, and they can develop, they can invest. If you look into it, the share in GDP, India's GDP from the construction industry is 9%. Oh my God, it is huge, right? The 9% share in the India's GDP from alone the construction industry, and it employed up to more than 51 million people. Oh my God, the number is very big. And people say after the agriculture industry, the construction industry, one of the biggest industries in India, we should respect it, and we are inside of it. We should feel proud of it.